So if you're watching this film, you're struggling to do the basic of changing the favicon on a SmugMug site. It's dead simple, I promise you. All we need to do to begin with is go into custom design. And then you're going to go up into the design settings immediately. And then from here opens up this tab. Yep. And then you just basically give it the information that you want. In this case, we just want the favicon. So you click onto that, you go to wherever your logos are, you click on the logo that you want, press done, press save. And once that's done, your favicon up in the top of the URL will basically change from the SmugMug to the likes of your own logo. It's as simple as that, I promise you.